विनाशाय च दुष्कृताम् धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे।
कहाने मुरली वाला रे बड़ी देर बही न दुलाला तेरी राह तके ब्रज बाला बही न दुलाला तेरी राह तके ब्रज बाला। कोई न जाए कूद गली में तुझ बिन कलियां छूने को तुझ बिन कलियां छूने को तरस रहे हैं जमुना के तट धुन मुरली की सुनने को धुन मुरली की सुनने को अब तो कत क्यों दुईदा में डाला रे बड़ी देर बही न दुलाला तेरी राह तके ब्रज बाला ओ बड़ी देर बही न दुलाला तेरी राह तके ब्रज बाला। दुलाला तेरी राह तके ब्रज बाला ओ बड़ी देर बही न दुलाला तेरी राह तके ब्रज बाला।
Today we are going to ask you some fun questions about Krishna, Lord Krishna. What did Krishna use to try to reach the butterpots when they were hung up?
He would use his friends as a ladder or find a creative ways to reach them. What did Krishna steal from the gopis that earned him the title Makkan Chor? Correct answer. Answer is the butter.
Why did baby Krishna use as a convenient snack when he ran out of butter? I repeat it again. What did baby Krishna use as a convenient snack when he ran out of butter? The correct answer is the moon itself. Don't worry, he returned it.
How long did Krishna hold Govardhan Hill? Correct answer. The answer is 7 days because he was having a bad hair day and didn't want to go outside. Why did Krishna steal the clothes of the Gopikas while they were bathing? Krishna steal the clothes of the Gopikas while they were bathing in the river?
The correct answer is he stole the clothes because to teach them a lesson and to highlight the importance of surrendering to him. What was Krishna's favorite hobby besides getting mischief? I repeated, what was Krishna's favorite hobby besides getting mischief?
Correct answer. The answer is playing the flute and making everyone fall in love with him. What does Krishna's name Madhusudana reveal about his nature? I repeat it again. What does Krishna's name Madhusudana reveal about his nature? The answer is Madhusudana essentially means honey slayer, and you can humorously call him the honey badger of gods.
During Surya Puja, how did Krishna tease Radha? I repeat, during Surya Puja, how did Krishna tease Radha? During Surya Puja, Krishna and Balarama disguised themselves as priests and teased Radha by requesting sweets as dakshina instead of usual ornaments.
How did Krishna tease Sudama playfully? I repeat it again. How did Krishna tease Sudama playfully? He playfully engages with Sudama's humble offering of cheap drives and delight at the true value of Sudama's simple gift.
Thank you.
Thank you.
ये अंधेरी रात थी, आसमान में बिजली कड़क रही थी, ऊर्जा परम पर थी, बारिश चरम पर थी। मथुरा नगरी की काल में उतरी थी, माँ देवकी को प्रसव की पीड़ा उठी थी, स्वर्ग में देवों की उत्कंठा बढ़ी थी, ये कृष्ण जन्म की घड़ी थी। एक तेजपुंज दिखाई दिया, माँ देवकी ने एक ओजस्वी बालक को जन्म दिया। माता ने बालक को छाती से लगाया, भगवान ने पहली बार ममता का अभिरसपान किया। अपनी खुशी से देवकी ने वासुदेव को बालक सौंप दिया। टोकरी में बालक रख वासुदेव ने प्रथम प्रयाण किया। चल पड़े मथुरा से गोकुल की ओर अपने मित्र नंददेव। बारिश की आधी रात थी, यमुना नदी पार करनी थी, पानी सख्त खाने को था और वासुदेव ने इष्ट को याद किया। तभी कृष्ण ने अपने अंगूठे से यमुना स्पर्श किया। उफान में उछलती यमुना ने तुरंत रास्ता दिया। ये बड़ी अनोखी बात थी, पर ये तो कृष्ण लीला की शुरुआत थी।
लुका छुपी बहुत हुई, सामने आ जाना, कहाँ कहाँ ढूंढा तुझे, थके है अब तेरी माँ। आजा सांझ हुई, मुझे तेरी फिक्र धुंधला गई, देख मेरी नजर आ जाना।
मैं राधा का गुमान हूँ, मैं मीरा का मान हूँ, मैं हर माँ की खिलखिलाती गोद में हूँ, मैं प्रेयसी के हास्य विनोद में हूँ। हाँ मैं कृष्ण हूँ, मैं कृष्ण हूँ, मैं कृष्ण हूँ। मैं नारी के सत्कार में हूँ, संस्कृतियों के प्यार में हूँ। मैं परिवार का विश्वास हूँ तो समाज का विकास भी हूँ। हाँ मैं कृष्ण हूँ, मैं कृष्ण हूँ, मैं कृष्ण हूँ।
जो है अलबेला मद नैना वाला, जिसकी दीवानी ब्रिज की है बाला, वो किसना है, वो किसना है, वो किसना है, वो किसना है, किसना है।
उस नदी में मत जाओ कान्हा, विशैला सांप कालिया तुम्हारे प्राण हर लेगा। राधे श्याम राम राम राधे श्याम राम श्याम सीता राम 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 सीता राम 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 राधे श्याम श्याम श्याम।
जग का कण कण जाग उठा जब शाम ने ली अंगड़ाई, सोया वन भी जाग उठा जब कान्हा ने मुरली मधुर बजाई।
Krishna, under his righteous rule, the citizens of Hastinapur lived happily, and prosperity spread in all directions. However, a sudden tragedy struck King Pandu passed away, leaving the throne vacant. Questions arose. Who would be the next ruler? Pandu's son Yudhishthira was still a child, and his elder brother Dhritarashtra was blind from birth. In this emergency, Dhritarashtra was temporarily placed on the throne until Yudhishthira came of age. As time passed by, Dhritarashtra grew increasingly attached to the throne. Meanwhile, his sons, the Kauravas, especially Duryodhana, grew envious of the Pandavas and their divine qualities. They made several attempts to eliminate them. One such deceitful act was the infamous game of dice, where the Pandavas were unfairly defeated, sent into exile for 12 years. Yet, Duryodhana's envious heart remained unsatisfied.
With the help of my uncle Shakuni Mama, we not only defeated those 5 Pandavas in the game of dice, but also exiled them from Hastinapur. They were unfit to rule.
Attention, O king! Muni Durvasa's disciple is here. Attention!
Maharaj, Durvasa Muni, along with his 10,000 disciples, are arriving here shortly.
What? Durvasa Muni is coming here. Leave. I heard he is easily angered and quick to curse if not pleased. This is my chance. I shall serve him with utmost care and hospitality, and perhaps he will curse the Pandavas instead. Come, Munvarya. Please be seated and accept this humble prasad.
I am delighted, Prince Duryodhana. I haven't experienced such hospitality in all the 3 worlds.
It's only by your mercy, Munvarya. Just as you blessed me, I pray to extend your mercy to the Pandavas as well.
Why not? Why not? Pandavas! Yes, I would love to meet them.
As you say, Gurudev.
Now, Pandavas!
As per Duryodhana's cunning plan, Durvasa Muni proceeded towards the forest to meet the Pandavas. At their hermitage, Bhima and Draupadi were present.
Pranam Munivarya.
Bhima, Durvasa Muni is approaching the ashram accompanied by all his disciples.
What a great fortune! The most revered sage, Durvasa, is gracing our humble hermitage. Well, Dhanyavad Munivarya for delivering such a wonderful message. And please let Durvasa Muni know that we are honored to have him here. Kindly accept our humble obeisances, Durvasa Muni. Please be seated.
Oh Prince, I am pleased with your warm reception. As the sun has set, we shall now go for our bath. We will return shortly to accept your prasad.
As you wish, Durvasa Muni. Bath Panchali, this is a great moment. We have the blessed opportunity to serve Durvasa Muni and his 10,000 disciples. By Lord Krishna's mercy, we have received this sacred duty.
What happened, my dear? It seems that you are upset. Is there anything troubling you? Oh Lord, the Akshay Patra provides unlimited food, but only until I eat. Since I have already eaten and washed it, no food will come out now. What shall we do? What shall we do?
Oh, this is a grave situation, but fear not. Lord Krishna always protects his devotees in times of need. Let us take shelter in him.
Bhima, Panchali, I offer my humble obeisances.
Pranam, O Vasudeva.
Panchali, you seem worried. Won't you receive me as your guest?
Oh, Krishna, you are Bhaktavatsala, the protector of your devotees in distress.
Then why the sorrow, even after my arrival? Krishna, you know everything. Durvasa Muni and his disciples have come, but there is no food left to serve them. The Akshay Patra has already stopped giving food as I have eaten. Panchali, please look into the Akshay Patra and check. Perhaps a single grain is still left. That will be enough for me. Yes, Krishna, yes. There's a tiny grain stuck in the vessel. That is more than enough. Bhima, go invite Durvasa Muni and his disciples to partake in the prasad. Oh, and don't forget to carry your mace.
As you command, my lord.
Wait without informing me. You have deceived your gurus. You Guru Drohi.
No, Gurudev, no. We haven't eaten anything.
Oh Krishna, why do I feel like I have eaten a grand feast? Oh no, if I do not honor the Pandavas' hospitality, it will be a great offense. I remember that what happened when I offended King Ambarisha. I had to flee across the universe and finally beg for forgiveness. Let's leave, let's escape before it's too late.
Yes, let's move. Durvasa Muni! Oh, Durvasa Muni! Oh, Munivarya! Wait! Where are you going in such a hurry? Please take the offerings. Munivarya! Oh, Munivarya, wait!
Bhima, what happened, Bhima?
Durvasa Muni and his disciples left in a hurry. Don't know what might be the reason.
This is all because of Krishna's Leela and this Akshay Patra. And hence, by the mercy of Lord Krishna, the Pandavas were once again protected from a dangerous situation. He who surrenders to him with faith is never left alone.